Breaking news. With AI's latest advancements, you now have the power to create your very own news channel. A few weeks back, I came across some fascinating information about AI anchors and major news channels integrating AI into their operations.
Hello, everyone. I'm an English artificial intelligence anchor. This is my very first day in Xinhua News Agency.
Hey, it's your girl, Maya.
What's up, guys? I'm Marco.
We're your Capuso AI sportscasters.
Now, with the demand of artificial intelligence booming worldwide, a Kuwaiti media outlet has unveiled a virtual news presenter which has been generated using artificial intelligence.
Intrigued, I delved deeper and discovered something even more astonishing. A news channel entirely operated by AI reporters and voiceovers.
In early December, a video popped up on Twitter claiming to show the world's first AI-generated news presenters. Channel 1 features a mix of fully generated reporters and so-called digital doubles, the new network named Channel 1, which fully launches in 2024.
Gone are the days when running a news channel meant needing anchors, reporters, and a studio. In this AI-driven era, achieving such feats requires minimal effort. My surprise was only matched by my curiosity. How could I leverage this for my benefit? The idea struck. Why not create a YouTube news channel entirely generated by AI? The CPM for news channels on YouTube is notably high, and news is a timeless niche with a constant demand for updates. The only thing left was to figure out how to make it happen. After hours of research and planning, I think it's not possible.
Oh, no.
Just kidding. I figured it out, and here's the step-by-step process. First up is creating a YouTube channel. I trust you know how to create a new YouTube channel. It's pretty straightforward. Let's get a channel name from ChatGPT. I'm partial to this one here. For the channel logo, head over to Bing Image Create. Give it a prompt to design a news channel logo according to your preference. I personally lean towards minimalist designs. Now that our channel is set up, let's dive into creating our first video together. First up, we need to source the latest news for our video. I've been searching on Google and stumbled upon this interesting piece. Elon Musk has been replaced as the world's richest man. Always make sure you select trendy and shocking news if you want your videos to perform well. If you select an old or a kind of news that not many people would be interested in, knowing then your video may not perform well. Now let's talk about the tool we'll be using today to create our videos. It's called vidnoz AI. This tool is a top-tier AI video generator, boasting features like AI voiceovers, talking avatars, voice cloning, and a plethora of pre-made video templates perfect for YouTube or TikTok. The best part? It's free and user-friendly. Many of you have asked for a niche or idea that isn't oversaturated, yet holds potential for success on YouTube. Now you have it. This YouTube news channel trend is still undersaturated, with very few channels exploring it, making now an ideal time to enter the market and leverage the first mover advantage. All right, let's dive back into that news piece we found. We'll start by grabbing the first sentence and dropping it right here in this text box. To see how it looks, just scoot over to the right and hit that play button.
On Friday, Mr. Arnold's net worth passed the Tesla CEO's $204.7 billion net worth, which dropped 13% with Mr. Musk losing more than...
If you want to tweak anything on screen, like the text or images, it's super easy. Just click on what you want to change. First off, we're going to switch up the headline. I'll pop back to the article, grab the title, and paste it right here. Here you could even switch it to your channel name if you like. Next, we're going to swap out the image for something more fitting. I'll just select this spot. Click the upload icon and bring in the cover image from the article. Make sure it looks good with the background. And hey, you can throw your channel's logo into the mix too. Just upload it from this option. If you're using the AI presenter, you've got options to tweak her look or shuffle her around the screen. Pretty much, you can customize almost anything here. Now, on to scene 2. And we're gonna do the same drill. I'll grab the next bit of text from the article and paste it in. Let's update the headline text too. This time, we need a new background image, and I've searched the perfect for this.
Bernard Arnault, chairman and CEO of Moët Hennessy Louis Vuitton, LVMH, has surpassed Elon Musk to become the richest man in the world.
As the subtitles are hard to spot at the bottom, I'm moving them to the middle.
Bernard Arnault, chairman and CEO of Moët Hennessy Louis Vuitton.
If you want to smooth the transition between scenes, just click here and set it up. I'm thinking of duplicating this scene, so I'll head to the scenes on the left, hit the 3 dots, and choose Duplicate. Time to grab more lines from the article and switch up the background again to a relevant image.
The two billionaires have been engaged in wealth tug-of-war since 2022, with Mr. Arnault reportedly securing the top spot late in that year.
I'm pulling all these images from Google, by the way. Suppose we want to mix in or add some different scenes. Go to the Scenes tab, click the plus box, and then head to the top left corner to click on Stocks. Here, you'll find loads of pre-made templates. Just search for news, and you can sift through and use any you like. Pick one, and you can add specific scenes from it to your project. Alright, let's tweak this template to make it totally ours. First up, I'm gonna switch the color of this bar to match the one from the first scene. Just gonna copy that color code and paste it here. We'll also fine-tune some smaller details to make sure our branding's consistent across all the scenes. Next, I'm gonna clear this part. And shift the subtitles for better visibility. You know how we roll by now. Let's update the text with the next part of the article. Switch out the image to something related to this scene. And update the headline with something catchy from the article itself. Now, I'm planning to whip up more scenes using the same steps, pulling the script and images from the article and Google. I'll speed up the video to skip to the final result. Phew, that was quite the workout. All the scenes are ready, so now I'll hit generate and get the video cooking. Let's take a peek at what we've crafted.
On Friday, Mr. Arnault's net worth passed the Tesla CEO's $204.7 billion net worth, which dropped 13% with Mr. Musk losing more than $18 billion, a report said. Bernard Arnault, chairman and CEO of Moët Hennessy Louis Vuitton, LVMH, has surpassed Elon Musk to become the richest man in the world. As per Forbes, the net worth of the French billionaire and his family grew to $207.6 billion after a $23.6 billion increase. On Friday, Mr. Arnault's net worth packed 10% with Mr. Musk losing more than $18 billion, the report added. The two billionaires have been engaged in wealth tug-of-war since 2022, with Mr. Arnault reportedly securing the top spot late in that year. The report revealed that the market cap of LVMH, the entity behind luxury goods brands like Dior, Bulgari, and Sephora, reached $388.8 billion, compared to Tesla's $586.14 billion. However, the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, on the other hand, claims that Mr. Musk is still the richest man in the world, with a net worth of third place with a $183 billion net worth. Billionaires Index reported back then Mr. Arnault's net worth rose by $2.4 billion to $201 billion. Due to the soaring demand for luxury goods, Mr. Arnault's fortune has increased by $39 billion in 2023 after LVMH shares have increased 30%.
It's amazing to see how far AI has come, enabling us to create news videos like this with just a laptop and a few minutes of smart working. Also, vidnoz AI has rolled out something cool: voice cloning. If the 400+ AI voices don't do it for you, now you can craft your own voice clone. Just follow the instructions to record your voice sample, upload it right here, and it will create your cloned voice for future use. Now, let's come over to the Tools tab. Vidnoz packs a bunch of AI features for us, like AI talking photo, AI face swapper, AI video translator, text to video, and a whole lot more. It's a killer AI toolkit for cranking out content. If staying ahead of AI tools, tech trends, and tips to up your game sounds good, don't miss my free newsletter. I share goodies there that I don't on YouTube. Plus, join our growing Discord community and catch me on Twitter for the latest updates. For those who are serious about pursuing AI for success, I've just kicked off a premium membership for the channel. It includes tons of perks you guys have been requesting. I'm all ears for your feedback, so drop a comment on what you loved about the video, any topics you're curious about for future videos, or any questions you've got. Your comments and likes are huge motivators for me to keep pushing out valuable videos on using AI to build passive income. That's a wrap for this video. Catch you in the next one.